Hey, it's been a little while since I filmed. I found this piece of wood, big cedar log, huge. Can't really carry it by hand, and well, this thing has been eaten away all the way to the core. I just cut that, but this thing's been sitting here at least 8 years. Let's see what's inside. Watch this. Very dense. You'll get to the middle. That solid, you know. And it's all the way down to that. All that other stuff degraded. But just this chunk, all that fuel mass will burn, probably take about 2 hours, maybe 3 hours to completely burn up all that. I'm going to cut another section right here. That'll add at least another hour. And I'll cut the final section. And then I'll carry the other big end. It goes all the way up there. I'll have to drag that. But yeah, very cool.